just got my hair cut, and you can't really tell because it's all curled, because of course they did it, and it feels so good. I have to figure out, I should have asked what shampoo they used, but yeah, or maybe Caroline knows because she goes to the same person. But I got like face framing layers, so after I wash my hair next, you'll be able to tell. But I'm so happy. I've been cutting my hair for like what, the last 2-3 years. I want to say 3 years. I've been cutting my own hair since basically like right when COVID started.
I think it was a little bit before.
I don't think I cut my hair before COVID. I don't remember. I'd have to look back at old vlogs, but it's been so long and they were so sweet, so I'm so happy. I just didn't trust myself to do that, and I'm glad I didn't. And it honestly didn't take that long at all. And they were like blow drying my hair, and I was like, okay, so I've just recently started blow drying my hair. Like, what am I doing wrong when these hairs are like sticking up? And they used like a round brush instead of the flat brush that I have, so I think I'm gonna get like a round brush. And I was like watching how she was like blow drying my hair, and I was just like taking so many mental notes, but I love it. I'm obsessed with it. And I was obsessed with it too when it was straight, which is nice, because I feel like you always get your hair done and then they curl it and they make it look so good, and then you go home and you're like, I can never replicate this. So I'm so happy. But yeah, that's what's up. That's really the only big agenda item that we've done today. And we're just gonna head home. Luis is still working. And
They read my paper. Was it Monday?
Still obsessed with my hair. Luis is looking at me like I'm vain. In the spirit of getting my hair done today, I got a timely package. I think I've talked about it in some vlogs leading up, but I was talking about the Shark hair dryer, and I decided to go ahead and get it, and I got it delivered to my mom's house today. It's very fitting because I was watching my hairdresser blow dry my hair and do all the things, so I feel like I know what I need to be doing, hopefully. But it all got delivered, and it came with the like fancy hairdresser clips, which I saw them use. When I blow dry my hair at home, I wasn't like layering it, and they were, so I can use these to do that. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, hair dryer to protect countertops. Oh, okay. Just a little, okay. I was wondering what that was online. And the actual hair dryer. I didn't do any of the little attachments, because I don't think I'd need them. Also, Luis, I found this very interesting. The girl who did my hair today, she told me that it is actually better to blow dry your hair than to let your hair air dry. Because she said, like, air drying your hair damages like the cuticles or something on your hair. I only thought fingernails had cuticles, but I'm not the expert. Oh gosh, what kind of tape did they use?
They're telling me to air dry?
No, I was just sharing a fun fact. I don't really think it matters because I let my hair air dry up until the past week, and she told me I had really healthy hair. So, can't do that much damage. I just thought it was an interesting tidbit I'd share with you. Shark Hyper Air. Fancy. Let's see how I open you. Come on. Ultra fast drying, no heat damage. Style that lasts. Ooh. The box is so cute. Styling guide, instructions. Oh, cool. This looks like the circle brush thing that they have. And then this is what it looked like with the blow dryer they used on me today. Cool. And then we've got an actual hair dryer. I'm not going to be able to test this out for a few days because I literally just got my hair done. But I'm so excited. This should be fun to play with. Reese is finishing up a paper. I'm gonna watch TikToks, and then we will see you tomorrow. I'm catching up with a friend. We're gonna go get coffee, and then Caroline gets here with bourbon, and the peace and quiet will be gone. So I am gonna try to sleep good tonight, and we're gonna save this box. Cool. I guess I'll save this box too, just until I know it works with the Amazon box. We can put it away.